In this video, we will try to understand that how we can calculate arithmetic mean in unequal frequency distribution. So let us see this with an example. So this is an example of unequal frequency distribution. So here in this case we can see that here it is 10 to 20 means class width is 10. Here the gap is of 20. So here the class width is of 20. Then 40 to 70, in this there is a gap of 30 means class width is 30. Here in this case class width is 50, and in this case there is class width of 80. So there is difference in the class widths. Means there is a gap. What is the gap in the upper limit and lower limit of a class interval is different. It is different in every class interval. So this is what we call as unequal frequency distribution. So if we have to calculate arithmetic mean in this type of question, we will directly put any formula, we can apply any method of our choice, and then we can calculate arithmetic mean. So let's see it. So in this question we will apply step deviation method, and for that we have to calculate mid value. So we will calculate mid value here. If we recall how to calculate mid value, then mid value is the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So in the first class interval, for example, it will be 10 plus 20 divided by 2. So it will be 30 divided by 2. It means 15 will be the mid value. Then if we calculate mid value for 20 to 40, it will be 20 plus 40 divided by 2. It means 60 by 2, and after cancelling it we will get 30. Likewise, if we calculate mid value for 40 to 70, then it will be 40, which is lower limit, plus upper limit 70 divided by 2. So it will be 110 divided by 2, which will be 55. So in this way we can calculate different mid values. So if we write mid values, then it will be 15 here, then after 15 it will be 30, then 55, then 95, and then 160. Then we will take any values among all these values as our A, means assumed mean. So let's say if we take 55 as assumed mean, then we will have to calculate in the next step D, deviation. So 15 minus 55 will be minus 40. What is D? D is M minus A, means mid value minus assumed mean. So 15 minus 55 will be minus 40. Then next is 30 minus 55 is equal to minus 25. So in the next step 55 minus 55 will be 0. Then 95 minus 55 will be 40. Then next is 160 minus 55 will be 105. So this is the thing, and because of there is less space, so I will erase it, and we will write 40 minus 25, 0, 40 and 105. So this is our D, and then we will have to calculate D dash, which is nothing but D upon common factor, and in this case we will take 5 as our common factor. So it will be minus 40 divided by 5 is equal to minus 8. So it will be minus 8 here. Then minus 25 divided by 5 will be minus 5. Then 0 divided by 5 will be 0 here. Then 40 divided by 5 will be 8, and 105 divided by 5 will be 21. So this is our d dash. Then further we will calculate fd dash, means we will multiply values of f with the corresponding value of d dash. So 4 multiplied by minus 8 is equal to minus 32 here. Then 10 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 50. Then 26 multiplied by 0 will be 0 here. Then 8 multiplied by 8 will be 64. And 2 multiplied by 21 will be 42. So if we have to calculate summation fd dash, we will add these two values which are in negative numbers. So it will be minus 82, and this positive value will be plus 106. So ultimately we have to subtract minus 82 from 106, which will be 24. So 24 is the value of summation fd dash. So now we will write the formula. X bar is equal to A plus summation fd dash upon summation f into c. Here summation f will be 50. So in this case A is 55 plus summation fd dash is 24 divided by summation f, which is 50, and common factor is 5. So if we cancel it, it will be 10. Then from 2, if we divide it, it will be 12 here, and it is 5. So it is 55 plus 12 by 5. If we further divide 12 with 5, we will get value as 2.4. So our final value will be 57.4. So this is our final answer. So in this way we have calculated our arithmetic mean in an unequal frequency distribution.